Hey there, business owners. Have you ever thought about transforming your space with the power of LED video walls? If not, you're about to discover why LED video walls are a game changer in today's digital age. First off, what exactly is an LED video wall? Simply put, it's a large-scale display composed of multiple LED panels that deliver stunning visual output. These panels are the building blocks, each containing numerous light-emitting diodes that produce vibrant colors and sharp images. Cool, right? There are various types of LED video walls to consider. Indoor LED video walls are perfect for retail stores, corporate lobbies, and command centers where lighting conditions are controlled. On the flip side, outdoor LED video walls are built to withstand harsh weather and deliver optimal visibility even in bright sunlight, making them perfect for outdoor advertising and events. You can also choose between fixed and rental LED video walls. Fixed ones are great for permanent installations, while rental LED video walls allow flexibility for temporary events or exhibitions. Imagine the impact you can make at your next big event. Now, let's talk benefits. LED video walls offer high-quality displays with superior brightness, contrast, and resolution. They're also incredibly flexible and customizable, allowing you to tailor the display to your specific branding and messaging needs. And let's not forget energy efficiency. LED technology consumes less power compared to traditional displays, which means lower operating costs and a reduced environmental impact. Plus, they're durable and long-lasting, designed to withstand continuous operation. So where can you use these fantastic displays? The applications are endless. In advertising and marketing, LED video walls grab attention in high-traffic areas like malls and airports. They're also a hit in entertainment venues, concerts, and sporting events, providing immersive visual experiences. In control rooms and command centers, they offer real-time data visualization for effective decision-making. They're even used in educational institutions and training facilities to create interactive learning environments. Now, if you're wondering where to get your hands on these incredible displays, look no further than Nectar Infosystems India PVDT Limited. They are a leading distributor of LED video walls, offering a wide range of products and services to meet diverse needs. From indoor and outdoor displays to fixed installations and rental solutions, they've got you covered. Partnering with Nectar Infosystems means you get competitive pricing, marketing support, technical training, and access to the latest LED technologies. Imagine the value you can deliver to your customers and the growth you can drive for your business. LED video walls stand tall as a beacon of innovation and versatility in modern visual technology. They transform spaces, captivate audiences, and elevate brands. And with Nectar Infosystems as your partner, you can unleash the full potential of this cutting-edge technology. So, are you ready to elevate your brand and transform your space? The future of visual communication is here, and it's brighter than ever with LED video walls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights and updates. See you next time.